Introducing the DaVinci Flow, AMC Technology's flexible framework designed to evolve with your business. Whether you're launching a new integration, testing use cases, or transforming how you work, DaVinci Flow aligns the right strategies, tools, and services at every stage. Step 1. Design. Define your strategy. We work with you to explore use cases, validate your environment, and build a roadmap through discovery sessions, proof of technology, costing, and workshops. Step 2. Build. Bring your solution to life. From system setup and custom integration to testing and training, we prepare your team for success with a fully piloted solution. Step 3. Orchestrate. Grow smarter over time. With managed services, custom enhancements, and agent wellness checks, we ensure your solution stays optimized and future-ready. And when your needs change, you can rerun the process to refine, rebuild, and optimize as you grow. Let's build your DaVinci Flow.